Welcome to Tresoreria, DAO Treasury done differently. So what is Tresoreria? Tresoreria is a DApp that enables DAOs to adopt open treasury standards of transparency, something which is vital now given a lot of the controversy and issues that have been faced by DAOs, especially own folks. Treasury is the lifeblood of any DAO. It's the management of the funds which have been entrusted to the administrators of the community to do the work of the DAO. However, today this treasury is far from trustless, transparent, and permissionless and decentralizing. Tresoreria, as a public good, powered by the Covalent APIs, is a step in this direction. So how does it work? So we have Mike. Mike is a member of a DAO, founded by DAO founder Jane. And Jane has hired Alice as a treasurer, because Alice has the professional skills to do treasury, but she's not really too into DAOs. So what happens is that Mike deposits some DAI into Tresoreria, and then gets to view the Tresoreria dashboard, where he can track the movement of the funds he has donated. Jane enables Alice to access Tresoreria using the Tresoreria investment dashboard. And both dashboards are powered by Covalent, which denominates all of the values in USD. Alice, via the dashboard, is able to see the current markets which are available for yield generation on various protocols such as ARB and Compound, and also do swaps to facilitate investment using the SushiSwap DEX. Alice then, without taking custody of the DAO funds, can then invest in various markets. So she can invest in markets on the Compound protocol, and she can also divest from those markets without taking custody of the DAO's funds, which brings a really big aspect of transparency, because everything is being done on chain, and because everything is denominated and the denominated values are stored, it makes it easy for DAO participants to independently audit 24/7, 365 the activities being done by Alice. And depending on the policies of the DAO, at some point Mike may be able to withdraw some funds from the DAO, or be sent funds by, say, Jane as part of a disbursement. And so that is Tresoreria. So now we'll do the demo. So this is the Tresoreria dashboard demo. This is live on crimson-bonus-4129.on.fleek.co/index.html. And when you get there, it's deployed on the RinkB network, so please connect to that, and that'll give you access. It will give you the total value locked and the total yield, which are both denominated in USD using Covalent APIs. And then we have performance graphs, which log the performance of the investment treasury management over time. We then go to the management section, which is where this gives you a view of the funds, the deals, and also the current holdings of the DAO. So in terms of that, we get the latest deals from the actual protocol, and we list them here, and the fund manager has the ability to invest in those, so they simply just enter the amount and the currency that they need, and then they invest. We give the available balances, so these are denominated in USD, right? And we also give the actual native token balance. And we also give the ability to swap, so you can swap to any of these others, so as to facilitate your investment. All right. And finally, we have the current holdings, which is lists the currently invested funds for the DAO. right, which is at the bottom, and this is also denominated in USD thanks to Covalent, and it provides the ability for the fund manager to exit the market should the investment mature or perform inadequately. In terms of our deposits, so these are contributions which come via various means. We provide a deposit history, right, and we provide the ability to make a deposit. So we have all of the deposits are denominated in USD as well as the amounts, and these denominated values are sourced from Covalent and frozen at a particular time. So as to enable people to accurately account for the activity of the DAO, given the volatility of cryptocurrency markets. With respect to withdrawals, again, we have the available balances for the currencies that are held by Tresoreria, and then we also have the withdrawal history, which is similarly denominated in USD, and that denomination is frozen at the time that the actual withdrawal was actually made. To show you an example of this working, we would basically put in for, let's say, 10 USDT. We'll get the value from Covalent, so that will give us the rate and give us the total amount. We would then send that back to ourselves. We have here the $10 that we withdrew. Our amounts are decremented, and on our investments dashboard we can see. Connect. We can see that again the same value is propagated. Similarly, we can also do deposits, and for those deposits, again, we're using Covalent. So if we want to deploy 20 USDT, connect. We'd first have to obviously approve. We would then deposit. Here we have it. 20 USDT has been deposited, and when we go to the investments dashboard, our available balance has gone up by 20 USDT, and we have 20 USDT here. And that's Tresoreria.